Welcome everyone to Mastering Interior Designing Site Execution Pro Tips from me. In this journey, we will dwell into the untold pains that many interior designers face and the unexpected gain that await those who master site execution. Untold pain. For many of us, it begins with a daunting pile of blueprints, countless revisions, and the weight of knowing that every detail must be executed flawlessly. The pains are real: miscommunications, budget overruns, missed deadlines, and the fear of disappointing our clients. It's a tough road, but remember, every great interior designer started here. Now, let's talk about the unexpected gains. They are the result of overcoming these pains with perseverance, expertise, and a commitment to excellence. Gains like satisfied clients, rave reviews, and a thriving interior designing career that you once only dreamed of. The question is, how do you get there? Step 1. Understanding the basics. It all starts with understanding the fundamentals of interior design. From spatial planning to material selection, your foundation must be rock solid. Step 2. Developing your expertise. Continuous learning is a key. Countless and continuous, both words are very important. Dive into advanced topics like architectural planning, architectural principles, lighting design, sustainable practices. The knowledge is your only power. Step 3. Effective communication. You must bridge the gap between your vision and your client's desires. Strong communication skills, active listening. I'll repeat, active listening and translating ideas into reality are very vital. Step 4. Mastering execution. This is where the true magic happens. Understanding the construction process, working closely with your team, with your contractors, and overseeing the projects are the skills that make your designs a reality. Now, let me share you a small story of my very dear student Sagar Patil. He came to me with untold pains, but after following these steps, he achieved unexpected gains. Today, Sagar is a very successful interior designer, handling multiple projects like bungalows. Even he is into core construction as well. So he's not only had an expertise into interior designing, but he is mastering very well even in the construction area. So sky is the limit, guys. I can just tell you that. He transformed his career with hard work, dedication, and a commitment to learning and improving. He went from facing frustrations to creating spaces that wowed his clients. Learning to master site execution wasn't easy, but it was worth every effort. His interior designing business had flourished, and he's found a deep sense of fulfillment in each and every project. These are Sagar's testimonials. I feel so blessed, so honored to handhold Sagar in his journey. So guys, in your journey from untold pain to unexpected gains, remember that mastering interior designing, site execution is very much possible. With the right guidance, dedication, and a thirst for knowledge, you can turn your passion into a successful career. Thank you for joining me and being patient and observing this video very minutely. So guys, stay tuned for more such valuable insight to help you achieve your goals as an interior designer. With this, signing out, this is Bhakti Akshay from Bhakti Interior Prop. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.